Hello to all my friends out there. So what we have to do is get some nutritious food that isn't too expensive. So I got this 50% off, a bag of spinach, and I want to saute my spinach in a little bit of oil. This will just take a minute. So if I can't find any meat, if the meat is not available at a decent price, I want to come up with some ideas. Salt. I want to come up with some ideas for meals that are edible, and good. And so one thing is a burrito, because it's a whole meal. I want to heat my flour or my tortilla. And you can cook your spinach as much as you like it. So we have a carb. This is a carb. We have some vegetables, and then we have some protein, which is the egg, and it's pretty cheap. One of the followers suggested buying 60 eggs at the first of the month, or whenever you get paid. I thought it was such a good idea, to make sure you don't run out of food. And so what I'm going to be doing for a while, until I come up with something else, is some quick meals. This is a good way to get kids to eat vegetables. You can use any kind of tomatoes, grind them up and use it like salsa if you don't have any salsa. And I have some cheese. I buy this stuff for $1 at Dollar Tree. It's not too expensive. And this will be good, and it's pretty cheap too. Especially if you start getting, if you find everything, you start finding everything at the cheapest possible price you can. So you have salsa that you can count as your vegetable as well. Voila! God bless you all.